You want to give your AI coding assistant full autonomy. Let it write code, run tests, install packages. But here's the thing. One prompt injection, and that agent could steal your SSH keys, read your credentials, exfiltrate your entire codebase. Scary, right? What if I told you there's a way to unleash your AI agent without risking your system? That's exactly what Docker Sandboxes give you. Docker Sandboxes runs your AI agents in isolated micro VMs. Each sandbox gets its own Docker daemon, its own file system, its own network stack. Your agent can install packages, spin up containers, even modify its environment. And none of it touches your host machine. One command gets you started. Docker Sandbox run Claude, then your project path. That's it. Full isolation in seconds. Traditional containers share the host kernel. That's great for performance. But it's a security risk for AI agents. Docker Sandboxes takes a different approach. Each sandbox runs in a lightweight micro VM with its own separate kernel. On Mac OS, it uses Apple's virtualization framework. On Windows, Hyper-V, real hypervisor-level isolation, not just process boundaries. This means a compromised agent can't exploit kernel vulnerabilities to escape. The blast radius is fully contained. Here's what makes Docker Sandboxes unique. Each sandbox gets its own private Docker daemon. Your agent can pull images, spin up containers, build and test, all inside its isolated VM. But it can't see your host's containers, can't access your host's Docker daemon. Think of it like giving each agent its own private Docker desktop installation. Full capabilities, zero host access. Even if an agent goes rogue, your production containers stay untouched. Network isolation is critical for AI agents. You don't want a prompt-injected agent phoning home to an attacker. Docker Sandboxes enforces strict network boundaries. Sandboxes can't talk to each other. They can't access services on your host's local host. There's also an HTTP filtering proxy that can control which external endpoints agents reach. Configure policies to allow only the domains you trust. Data exfiltration blocked at the network layer. File system access is tightly controlled too. Only your Workspace directory syncs between host and sandbox. The agent can read and write files there, but nothing else on your system. Your .ssh folder, off limits. Your credentials, invisible. Your other projects, completely isolated. The sync is bidirectional. Changes you make on the host appear in the sandbox. Changes the agent makes sync back. Same absolute paths on both sides, no path confusion. This is defense in depth done right. Multiple isolation layers, each catching what others might miss. VM isolation gives you a separate kernel. Network isolation blocks unauthorized connections. File system isolation protects your sensitive files. And the private Docker daemon keeps agent containers invisible to your host. Even if an attacker finds a way through one layer, they hit another. And another. That's how you give AI agents real autonomy, safely. Here's how you actually use Docker Sandboxes. Run Docker Sandbox run, then Claude, then your project path. Your workspace syncs automatically at the same absolute path. Bidirectional, so changes flow both ways. Need to debug or install tools. Use Docker Sandbox exec with your sandbox name to get a bash shell inside. Each sandbox has its own private Docker daemon. Agents only see containers they create, completely isolated from your host. When you're done, Docker Sandbox remove cleans everything up. Docker Sandboxes isn't just for Claude. It supports multiple AI agents. Codex, Gemini, Kiro, and more are coming. Each sandbox is persistent. Installed packages survive restarts. Your workspace syncs automatically between host and sandbox at matching paths. To see your sandboxes, use Docker Sandbox ls, not regular Docker ps. Ready to try it? One command. Docker Sandbox run Claude, then your project path. You get full AI autonomy with real VM isolation. Your agent works freely. Your system stays protected. Defense in depth that actually works, because the agent that's truly isolated is the one you can trust with more. Now go build something amazing, safely.